Happy Canada Day, YouTube. I'm gonna post a video of me rewiring the sensor. I'm doing surgery on this thing. Actually, we can buy a pigtail on eBay, but I want to rewire it, and I'm gonna show you how I drill and remove the stuck bolt on the sensor. I'm gonna show you how to calibrate the throttle sensor in order to prevent bucking and surging. So stay tuned.
So what are you doing, Luke?
Yeah, I'm doing surgery on this thing, the socket. So don't forget to mark it up. Which wire goes to this? Yeah. So I'm doing surgery, man.
Nice toolbox.
Wow. Shout out to Mark Bahar. This very nice toolbox. What is this? Milwaukee. This thing first. This one. It's gonna rewire it. Plug reward, guys. Unfortunately, I ran out of green heat shrink, so I just use the smaller one and put it under. So this will do.
What are you doing, man?
I'm Kailangan siyang tanggalin, Mark, kasi yung sensor position kailangan mo i-calibrate eh. Dapat siyang i-move. Oh. So ito, dalawang butas. Dalawang butas. So kaya siya ganun, mahaba yung butas niya kasi i-calibrate yung position niya, namumove yan, ganyan. Kung saan yung tamang position niya para para tumama din yung idle ng sasakyan mo. So,
Tama naman kumusta naman yung idol niya?
Hindi masyadong tama yung idle nito eh. Drill boy. Whew. Spent too much work time for those stuck bolts, but here it is. I put a new screws. Hopefully it will work. To calibrate the TPS, connect your red probe tip to the signal wire, which is the red one. Connect your black probe tip to the negative terminal of your battery and turn on your ignition. So when it's close, it should be 0.5. holds on 0.5. I'm gonna tighten the screws on the sensor. There, it's 0.5. This is for the open throttle. It's supposed to be 4.5. See, open. Here, I calibrated it already. Put everything back and hopefully it runs good. Woo! It's alive! Back to normal. No surge, no bucking. Woohoo! You're alive! Dirty hand pays off. My 1999 Acura EL is now back to its normal idle. So budget update, $0. I haven't spent any time for this fix. So that's it for now, guys. This is Lucas, trying to stay on the budget.